Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be covering how you can extend your Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, by extend, I'm pretty sure that you want to increase your, memory or your storage on Google Drive, which is very easily done. So let me show you how to do it yourself. As you can see, I'm on PC and I'll be using this to explain, but exactly what you need to do is the following. Go over and click on Get More Storage right over here, and you'll be met with these plans which you can have. You have the basic plan with 15 gigabytes, and then you have the basic one with 100 gigabytes, the standard with 200 gigabytes, and then you have the premium with 2 terabytes. And you can choose whichever one you want, it really doesn't matter. But once you get them, you will have your storage extended, and then you can use all the benefits freely. And that is pretty much it. The other way that you can do this is by literally just deleting the files you don't need, but that is more saving storage instead of actually extending it. And if you subscribe, you will renew that on a monthly basis unless you get an annual subscription, which will renew annually or once per year. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.